Hello, I'm Eli at Gemalto. This demonstration is about Sentinel EMS Enterprise, focusing on features. So what are features in the Sentinel EMS Enterprise? Let's go to Catalog, Features. And over here, we're able to create or maybe use current features. Now, features are one of the basic elements that finally will create the license that I want to create. Features should be defined in the very early beginning of settings the Sentinel EMS, and there's need to be a lot of decision making which features I need for my licenses. Basically, the features, every feature goes for a specific functionality of my application that I want to protect it with a license. So if I have application with, let's say, 3 buttons only, and I want to sell my application either with button A or buttons B or button C, or maybe with 3 of them, then I can create 3 licenses, 3 features. Feature A for button A, feature B, and feature C for the other buttons. And therefore, every customer at the end of the road will have license either for button A, B, or C, or maybe a combination, or maybe all of them. So therefore, in such case, I would have 3 features. And let's maybe create 3 features. Feature for button A, feature for button B, and feature for button C. So in order to create a feature, what I would do is click on New. The first thing that I have to provide is the namespace where it belongs to. And the namespace can be either global, which is the default one, or the one that I had provided before, had created before. Maybe I will check the global one. And over here, I've got the list of what are the products, the license models that are related to this global. Suppose if I go to security products, then afterwards I will see only the license models that relate to me. So feature name is as you see in asterisk. Red asterisk means that this is mandatory because this feature name identifies my feature. So let's call it button A. Feature ID, if I would like to have a number, that doesn't matter right now. Feature version, let's say 1.0. I can add references, description, external ID if I want to use. And then feature, the most important thing about features in the Sentinel EMS Enterprise is the fact that always feature comes with the license model. License model that had been previously defined. I have a set of definition of license models, and I have to use them and to link at least one of the license models into this feature. I can add even more than one, but let's add one, commuter. And that's it. So I save it. Feature name cannot have space character. So the feature name here is button space A. I have to have it as button A. Save. So we have here feature called button A. And the 1.0, which is the version, comes and displayed here as one string for this feature. Let's create another feature for global, the same commuter, and I put it inside. Feature name is button B. And now let's take something else, some other license model maybe, and here you see I have maybe two, maybe if I want even third, I have 3 different license models associated to this feature, while the default is one of them. The default means that once I use this feature with this license model afterwards, then the first thing that will be displayed as default is the commuter license model, but I will be able to choose whether I want the other one of the other two. I will show it maybe later on. And of course we can make another button C, but let's have enough with this. Button A, button B. So we have 2 features that can be later on be used. Now if I stand on feature on button B, let's for instance, I can see that the status says that it hasn't been deployed yet, and therefore I can make changes. You see here deployed yes for another one, but for this one no, not deployed yet, hasn't been used yet. So these features can be later on used. I can stand on it and see the details about the license models that each feature includes. As we said, each feature must include at least 1 license model. It's optional to have more than 1 license model and to choose which is the default one that will be displayed once you use the feature. Now afterwards, that's about features, but afterwards the feature will be used inside products. And once you use it inside product, you'll be able to use, maybe I'll show it. If I go to product and over there create a new product, then I will have to say which feature I want to use. And once I go to feature, let's first choose the global, and therefore I get a list of what are the features that I have here. So if I choose button B and put it inside, I can see that I have here the commuter as the default. However, I still have an ability to choose the other 2. So this allows me to link several license models into one feature, and at the stage of the next stage of creating a product which uses the feature, then I'm able to use to set which one is the chosen one for me. So to sum up, creating a feature requires you to say for this feature which license model should be as part of this feature. That's about it. Thank you for watching.